Yeah, it was nice to score. I think after the dominant first half as well, probably should have scored in the first half. Might have made the game a little bit different. Probably would have helped us out. But we had to sometimes you have to plug away, and that's what we did. In second half, it managed to come, and then ultimately you do open yourself up a little bit when it's only 1-0, and they're going to push, aren't they? So I thought we were quite resilient in the second half, but it was really good to get on the score sheet, and I thought we were well deserving of 3 points.
Last season, you dominated your league.
Yeah.
You're finding it a big step up?
It is a massive step up. I thought last season we were winning games quite comfortably. Wasn't really enjoying it, but this year I think if we do win a game, I think we'll get more satisfaction from winning this, because it's a tough league, and we'll be fine, I think.
In terms of where we were at last week, where we were quite a way off where we'd want to be, it's been a lot of hard work and a lot of information taken on by the players, and that's always going to happen when you get with a new group. So I was really pleased with how they took that information on board and how they tried to deliver it today, and I thought we were probably better value for a one-goal lead earlier on in the game, and then we've had to hang on towards the end.